Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use audio equalizer for a video or any audio file in native Android application. So I am not really I don't have much knowledge about audio equalizer, so I will just try to explain what I have done. Here is one video playing. Now it is an HLS video. I think it is you can use normal video as well if you want to. Now here, as you can see, there are few sliders which I have, like one for 0.06 kilohertz, 1.01 for 0.23, one for 0.91, one 3.6, and one is 14 kilohertz. Now if I start playing the video again, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the audio, but if I try to play the video, the audio is very huge now. So here I'm sliding down the 14 kilohertz as well as 3 kilohertz slider, and the audio has drastically reduced. Now if I try to reduce this 0.91 as well, it has reduced even more. I'll make this 0.23 down as well, and if I increase this 0.6, here you can see I'm not able to hear any of the audio. If I try to decrease the 0.6, I'm able to hear little bit of audio. I'll increase 0.23. I'm not able to hear the audio again. I'm able to hear little bit of it. So hopefully you got the point. Now I'm pausing the video. So that's what we will be doing. So firstly what I have done is that inside our activity, firstly I have created a native Android application. I am using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. Next, inside Android manifest I have added this internet permission because I am playing an HLS video, but if you are playing a normal video or a video from your video picker, you don't require this. Then inside build.gradle.kts I have added three libraries: Exoplayer UI as well as Exoplayer HLS, and those are referenced inside libs.versions.toml. So here you can see this is our media 3 Exoplayer, this is our media 3 UI, and here is like the Exoplayer HLS, Exoplayer, the media 3 UI, and the media 3 Exoplayer. So you will have to add this 3 lines of code as well, and just click on sync now. Then inside activity underscore main I have taken one player view to play the actual video, and if you scroll down I have taken one horizontal scroll view to display the slider, and I have taken one linear layout as well. Now the slider and the actual text which you saw inside the output will be programmatically created, because those are only known at runtime. It's better not to hard code those inside your code. So inside main activity, as you can see, I have taken one Exoplayer, one player view, one linear layout, and one equalizer as well. Current item is 0, playback position is 0 as well. Here we are initializing our player view as well as this linear layout which we have, and on destroy we are releasing our player as well as equalizer, same for on pause as well, and on resume we are setting up our player. So if our player is already playing some video, we release it, make it as null, and create a new Exoplayer. Here I am using HLS, that's why I have to do something like this. But if you have a normal URI, I think you can use something like so here you can use something like media item dot from URI. Just pass your normal URI, you don't need all this bit of code. Of course you will need this. Okay, so use however you want, like whatever video you are using, according to that use it. Here I am using HLS video, that's why. Then we are just preparing our Exoplayer and it will start playing the video. Here we are setting up our equalizer, so we require the audio session ID from our Exoplayer. We pass it over here. So if the equalizer is also already available, we release it, create a new object of equalizer. We remove all our layouts from linear layout if there are any, and then we just call number of bands. It will give us a loop. In that we first get the band level range, the min value as well as the max value. Then we create a center frequency as well as center frequency kilohertz. Then I am creating another linear layout but programmatically, so the orientation is vertical over here. Then I create one text view as well as one seek bar, so the text view will display the labels and the seek bar the actual slider. So here As you can see, I have hard coded the width and height, but change it to whatever you feel like. And here I have just added one click listener, like the slide change listener for our seek bar. And then we are adding our label as well as seek bar to our linear layout, so which we have created over here. And then we just add our linear layout to the original linear layout which we had inside our activity underscore main. In case if you want to see these imports, these are all the imports. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.